Good morning, children. Today you have English literature class and I'm going to teach you chapter 10, that is the shoemaker and the elves. Got it? Now, I'm reading as well as I'll be explaining you all, okay? Long, long ago, in a faraway land, lived a shoemaker. So long, long ago means in a very far place, in a land, there lived a man. He was a shoemaker. Okay, children? And his name was Rex. His name was Rex. His wife name was Rosie. His wife name was what? Rosie. One day Rex was making shoes. His wife entered the room. So while he was making the shoes, his wife entered the room. Rex said, "This is my last piece of leather. We have no money left. We will have to sleep hungry now." So this is a story of a shoemaker. We'll find that he was very poor and he had only left with one pair of piece of leather, which was the last one. After that, he had no money to buy more leather and stitch shoes and sell out. So that what Rex means, the shoemaker, told his wife, Rosie, about it. Now Rosie said, "God will help. Do not worry." Dear said, "Don't worry. God is there. He will surely help us." A sad Rex went to bed. When he woke up next morning, he got a big surprise. Now what happened? So that day Rex went to sleep. He cut the leather to make stitch shoes for the next day. And then what happened? Morning when he got up, he was very surprised. Why? He woke up next morning and he got a big surprise. Rex, "Rosie, look." He's telling his wife, "Rosie, look, a new pair of shoes." He found a new pair of shoes kept over there. "Rosie, they are lovely." Saying, "My God, these shoes are so lovely. I knew everything would be all right." The wife said, "I know, I had belief in God that everything will be right." Rex sold the shoes and bought leather with the money. The shoes were so well stitched that he sold out the shoe and he got much money. With that money, again Rex went and bought more leather so that he can stitch more shoes. Rex sold the shoes and bought leather with the money. He cut the leather for 2 pairs of shoes that night. So one shoe he sold it. With that money, now he bought leather to make 2 more pairs of shoes. In the morning, he found them stitched. Again, next morning, he found again those with that leather already. 2 pairs of shoes are stitched. Then for 4 pairs, so every morning he found stitched shoes. A few days passed. So every day he used to keep selling the shoes and he used to get more money, and with that he used to buy more leathers so he can make more shoes and earn more money. But few days passed like that. "Rex, let us hide behind the door tonight and find out who our friends are." So wife said, "See, every day you're bringing leather, you're cutting and keeping, it's being stitched so nicely. But who is a friend, who is helping us? We should find out." So she planned to hide behind the door that night. So that night, Rex and Rosie saw, what have they saw? 5 elves come in dancing and singing. See these elves, the small type of dwarf type of people. So when hiding behind the door, saw that 5 elves came, dancing and singing. They elves sat down on the walk, and they sat down on the walk place, and what? Stitched all the clothes, all the shoes, sorry. As they walked, they sang. So, like this, day after day, Rex used to buy leather and keep it, and these elves used to come and stitch it for them so that they could sell and earn more money. Acha, elves. We are the 5 busy elves. We like to help anyone in the need. Behind, we believe that everyone should have enough to eat. So, elves sang a song. What? There are 5 busy elves coming, and we like to help anybody in need. Because we believe that everybody should have enough to eat. Everybody stays. Unless they eat, they cannot survive. So he said that we must see that everybody earns and they live their life happily. The elves finished their walk and went away. What did the elves do? Elves stitched the shoes and they walked away. Rosie, such kind, helpful little people. I would make them some clothes for them just to say thank you. Then Rosie was so happy to see those elves coming every day and stitching the shoes for them, and which they are selling in a high cost and earning money. So Rosie stitched new clothes, and Rosie was very happy about them. So she made new clothes, means she stitched the new clothes for whom? These 5 elves. Acha. The next night, the elves were happy to find the lonely clothes in the room of the leather. Happily, they put them on and danced about the shop. Rex did not need their help anymore. So what did he do next day? And they put all the clothes over there, made the clothes she made, Rosie, put those things there, and she was happy to see all the shoes were also stitched and they were put in one place, and they danced out of the house, and they, in a very merry mood, they went out of the house. Rex did not need their help anymore. Those elves had made Rosie and Rex so rich that they thanked the elves and they did not take any more help from them. Now, so today I explained you the chapter, children. You read through it. Next class we will be doing the exercise, and then also your unit test is going to commence from 13. Hope you all are preparing and you know all the rules, regulations. Still, I'll be sending the rules, regulation. Please go over it and do your exam according to it. Okay? Take care. Bye. We'll meet on the next class.